Okay, so we're going to hook Fran's chair up to Assistive Touch on the iPad. Go into Mode, into the environmental, and we're going to select RNet Mouse 1. Once selected, we can find it on the iPad that we're going to connect to. And we'll wait for it to connect. Once it's connected, we're going to scroll down to Accessibility and go into Touch and Assistive Touch. From here, we want to scroll down and make sure that our tracking sensitivity is low. Our dwell control is on with the fallback action being tap. Our movement tolerance, we want as big as possible. And then our seconds here means that she's going to have to dwell on something for 5 seconds before it'll open. Once that's all set up, we're going to go ahead and turn on Assistive Touch, which then will allow Fran's joystick to be used more similarly to a mouse would with dwell control.
I'm breathing.
Thank you. I just don't know why it's like...
How do you feel?